sinasabi ni Direk sa amin na this is the best performance.
Okay, maniwala kay director.
Pero why do you think he said that?
Because he loves me. And, well, to be fair, Kuya MG, binigay ko naman talaga. I mean, lahat ng kaya kong ibigay, binigay ko. I really accessed and channeled every emotion I could channel. And I'm happy na happy si Direk kasi syempre sobrang collaborative effort naman na ang paggawa ng isang pelikula. So as long as he's happy, I'm happy, and I'm kampante.
Right. Pero you've done so many dramas in the past. What made this different?
Well, for me naman po, you're only as good as your last word. So every time I do something new, I always want to step it up. I always want to do better. I always want to hopefully show something different. And hopefully with this one, I don't know, siguro very nakarelate din po ako sa character. Or I really saw myself in Sunny. And I really put myself in her shoes. Kaya din siguro sinasabi direct na iba yung binigay ko dito. I don't really know how or why. I haven't seen it. I haven't seen the film, not even a few clips he didn't allow me to watch. But yeah, I hope it translates to screen and then also other people notice.
You look so fabulous na. Anong sikreto? Anong diet? Anong
Wala
regimen?
naman secret. It's just the usual workout. I would really attribute it all to working out. I work out really hard. Like, if I could live in the gym, I probably would. Like, 5 times
You're in
a
that
day.
phase.
Yes, in my fitness era. It's so cool because once I learned how to love working out, taking care of myself, or living in this fitness era, talagang in-embrace ko siya. And because I see results, mas ginaganahan din ako syempre and all of that. And you know, I do all the high maintenance things to stay low maintenance. I get my nails done, get myself pampered. I do all of that para tuloy ang kagandahan.
Parang pareho kayo ni Katie. Si Katie nakikita ko rin, marami rin workout.
I think, in a way, na-inspire na namin yung isa't isa to stay healthy, to stay fit. And siya din, naging mahilig siya. Even on nutrition, he's really good with the calories and with reading the labels. He's really good at that and he helps me with that. So pareho kaming sobrang enjoy na namin mag-workout and mag-gym. So yeah, just living a healthier life.
Naniniwala ka bang works out together, stays together?
Of course, why not?
Kanina parang maraming na-intriga dun sa sagot mo na parang what you and Katie had is beyond showbiz. Parang, is that a confirmation na kayo na ni Katie?
No, not really. I guess I just want people to know na it's not fan service in any way. Well, there's nothing wrong naman with doing fan service. It comes with a job sometimes. But I'm very lucky kasi I think Katie and I have achieved peace. And I'm at peace sa life and all. So, kaya ako nasabi na what we have is more than for showbiz. Kasi even if we quit or we go our separate ways sa career, that doesn't mean na hindi na kami mag-usap or anything. The bond is still there and always.
Thanks, Alexa. Salamat.
Alexa,
Ganda.
ang dami mong ginawa this year. You've done a teleserye, tapos movie, and then PBB as a whole. So, kumusta yung pag-ano mo doon? Especially experience mo as a host. Yung ano mo, paano mo, ano yung experience mo sa pagiging host?
Oh, it's been really fun. Sobrang bago pa siya sa akin. So, I have so much to learn pa. Which I'm very grateful for kasi kasama ko sila Kuya Robbie and Ate Bianca. So I'm with the best. And I'm really learning a lot every week. And exciting kasi hosting, talagang I'm on my toes, I'm on my feet all the time. Natututo akong makinig and to banter and to, you know what to say on the spot. So it's really a fun experience. Pero syempre, mas, ang first love ko talaga will always be acting and singing.
And you keep improving naman pagdating sa pag-host. Pero Alexa, kasi naging controversial yung PBB these past few weeks, ano masasabi mo dun sa nangyari? Aware ka ba doon? Parang update ka ba doon sa nangyari doon sa ilang housemates about sa selosan issue?
Selosan?
About Piang and JM.
nakikita ko lang siya sometimes when I don't really read na po kasi online masyado. And when I'm there every Saturday, mas doon binibrief na lang ako ng mabilisan or recap. Or sometimes, madami rin, like I have other work commitments din kasi during the weekdays. So hindi rin ako able na tumutok talaga. But I'm aware of some stuff, but not that so much.
Pero since, siyempre sa online show nyo, nagbabasa ka ng mga comments, paano mo inaano yung pag nakakabasa ka ng mga negative comment na masyadong
I don't read
hurtful?
it. I don't read it. I don't think it's necessary to be read out loud. Thank you po. Thank you.